Got some raw ground beef, some Amish butter, some sea salt. I even put a little bit of lime on the meat just to try it out. Some local blackberries, and of course, got the soles on the ground. This, try not to eat inside, guys. I mean, we've all done it most of the time, but I'm really trying my best to sit in front of the sun. Some of my chickens are over there, and then my dog, they like it. I mean, they're doing it. You know, I'm just a student. I'm trying to figure this out as well, but I would say getting sunlight, not putting no stuff on,